Hi everyone! Kumusta sa lahat? Today we will be making some Filipino Bicol Express. So let's get started. I'm sprinkling on some adobo and I'm going to put some onion powder, some garlic powder, and some pepper. Just to add a little bit of seasoning. Now I'm using some pork shoulder cubes, but you can use pork belly cut up, which is traditionally used, but I didn't see any, so I just used this cut of pork. You can also use chicken if you want to, stuff like that. So we are mixing in the seasonings right now, and then we're just gonna set it aside so that we can cut up the vegetables. So here is a purple onion that I'm gonna slice. Just need half of it. Some people put the whole thing. I just use half. You can put the whole thing if you want to, but I'm taking the skin off, and then we're going to put that into the garbage bowl. Because what I learned from my stepfather, because he's from the islands, that you can use the trash from your fruits and vegetables to put back into your garden. All the fruits and vegetables that you grow outside. So, which is pretty cool. It's like you're taking from the earth, but you're giving back. It's pretty nice. So here we are slicing up our purple onion. Now we're going to set that over to the side, and we're going to get some garlic cubes, or cloves rather. We're just going to use like 3. Some people use 5, 6. It depends on the size. So now we're heating up some oil in the wok, and we're going to add our garlic and our onions, which is bawang for the garlic and sibuyas for the onions. If anyone wants to have a Tagalog lesson. Yes. And we're letting those sizzle. We're going to stir those just a little bit. And we're just going to cook those so that they get like a little translucent. And stir those a little. And then we are going to get ready to add the pork in. And how you say pork in Tagalog is baboy. Okay, so we're adding in the pork right now, and we're just going to stir everything all together. just until the meat cooks a little. I'm going to stir it until the meat gets more of the cooked color, like whitish, instead of raw. But in all honesty, if I don't cook it all the way, it really wouldn't matter because it's going to cook down anyway. And by that, I mean that I'm going to add some gata. Gata is coconut milk. So here, see how the pork is looking nice? I added some green chilies and some coconut milk. So we're cooking this down. Now some people would add bagoong, which is a shrimp paste, but hindi ko ito gusto, which means I don't like it. So I did not add it, but I'm adding some red chilies, which are Thai chilies. You can, if you want to, add a little bit of fish sauce, which is patis, but it all depends. Now I just added 1 more cup of coconut milk, and you cook that all the way down until it looks like this. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Maraming salamat. And I hope you have a wonderful day. God bless.